Hello students, welcome to Bharat YouTube channel of Bharat Bharati Public School. Now today we have discussing about the more features of MS Word. In last class we have discussing about the MS Word. So this is the standard 5. So let's some important topic before the knowing some features of Microsoft Word. So some features of Word. First of all, we have to learn about MS Word. But before knowing the features of MS Word, we have recover some important topics. What topics? The first topic is what is MS Word? What is MS Word? This is very important topic because now we have discussing about the more features of MS Word. But now this time anyone can ask you that you know about and you can learn about the more features of MS Word, but what is first of all what is MS Word? You tell to me first of all. After this one we can learn the more features of MS Word. So what is MS Word? MS Word is word processing software. This is the part of Microsoft Office. .docx is the extension of Microsoft Word, and this is the part of Microsoft Office. The latest version of Microsoft Word is MS Word 2016. MS stands for Microsoft. Microsoft is the Computer Development Institute. Okay. Second question: how to start MS Word? Start MS Word. I know that you know about this one. Click on start button, click on all program, click Microsoft Office and click on MS Word. Click on MS Word. So our MS Word file will be open. Then how to save? How to save a document? Save a document. This is very important. This is very important. That means what? When we open a document, so we will need to save. So this is how to save a document. How to save it? Click on Microsoft Office button. Click on what? Click on save option. Then you type the document's name and click on save option. So we can save our document in our MS Word. This is the only purpose is revision, because these all are the very important. Next thing, how to create a new document. Simply we can create a new document. Click on Microsoft Office button, click on new option. After the new option will be a dialog box will be appear. We can select blank and resend. After the selecting the blank and resend, we can click on create. Okay. So next thing is how to open a document. That means अगर हमारे फाइल या फोल्डर में कहीं भी हमारा डॉक्यूमेंट्स है तो उसको कैसे ओपन करेंगे उसके बारे में बताया गया है. सपोज फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ओपन MS Word. आफ्टर opening the MS Word we can click where? Microsoft Office button. Then click on open option and then select the file folder, select the document from the any file or folder where you save the document, and next click on open option. So your documents will be saved. The document will be open. Next thing, how to save as a document. This is very important. Here is one question will be coming. What is the difference between save and save as? mean when we create any documents, we need to save. But when we can edit the document, we can delete something, we can insert something in our document, and you want to save in different name in your file or folder, so we can use what? Save as option. This save as option when will happen? Then only save document, में हम लोग सेव एज वर्क हो सकता है। उसके बाद क्या आ जाता है? व्हाट इज द एक्सटेंशन ऑफ MS Word means .docx is the extension of MS Word. This is very important because this is the identification of MS Word document. And next thing is what? Next thing is write all components of MS Word. अगर आपसे कोई पूछेगा तो आप क्या जवाब दीजिएगा? यहाँ पे इसका आंसर होगा टाइटल बार, क्विक एक्सेस टूल बार, माइक्रोसॉफ्ट ऑफिस बटन, स्टेटस बार, व्यू, जूम इन जूम आउट, डॉक्यूमेंट्स एरिया, वर्किंग एरिया, दिस ऑल रिबन, टैब, ग्रुप, दिस ऑल आर द वर्ड कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ MS Word. स्क्रॉलिंग, दिस ऑल आर द वर्ड, all are the components of MS Word. और भी important टॉपिक आता है इसमें क्या? तो नेक्स्ट हम देख रहे हैं। आफ्टर दिस वन we needs to know before knowing the more features of MS Word. So after नाइन नंबर क्वेश्चन आता है, हाउ टू इंसर्ट ए पिक्चर और इमेज इन ए डॉक्यूमेंट। ये क्वेश्चन आता है। आपसे पूछा जाए कि एक कोई भी क्या करना है? पिक्चर इंसर्ट करना है। पिक्चर दो तरह से इंसर्ट हो सकता है। एक होता है क्लिप बोर्ड से, दूसरा होता है डायरेक्टली फ्रॉम योर फाइल एंड फोल्डर। तो वी कैन इंसर्ट इट बाय click on insert tab. Mean first place the cursor where you want to insert the picture, then click on insert tab and then click on picture commands from illustrations group. Okay, after this one we can select the picture from any file or folder where you save the picture, and next will be when select the images or picture, then after the selecting the images we can click on insert option, so our documents will be what? Inserted picture. हमारे documents में picture insert हो जाएगा। दूसरा क्वेश्चन, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आता है हमारा, what is clip art? ये भी बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है। आपसे पूछा जाएगा कि एक होता है कि फाइल और फोल्डर से आप इमेज को लेके कहाँ डाल रहे हैं? आप अपने पिक्चर डॉक्यूमेंट्स में डाल रहे हैं, लेकिन यहाँ पे क्लिप आर्ट से हम कैसे डालेंगे? क्लिप आर्ट इज द कलेक्शन ऑफ रिलेटेड वेब पेजेस, रिलेटेड एनी थिंग्स। वी कैन सर्च द पिक्चर फ्रॉम क्लिप आर्ट, it's given all the pictures, but sure that one thing here is your computer system will be connected with internet, then will be clipboard, clip art will working, then you find any images over the world and you can select it and you can insert it. Mean clip art is the collection of related pictures, but one important thing that is your computer system will be connected. These all are related about MS Word 2007, but now this time clipboard, MS Word has not clipboard. With the latest version of MS Word, Microsoft Word, that means what? That means many more features will be added, but some features will be reduced, reduced, like as ClipArt. ClipArt has no MS Word, latest version MS Word has no ClipArt. It has directly commands insert the online pictures. Mean it's a replace ClipArt from online pictures. Mean we can directly here click on online pictures from the illustrations group, and we can search by the using search engine, and we can select the pictures and we can insert in our documents. Okay. So next thing, ClipArt, okay, clear. Mean how to insert the images with ClipArt. So first of all click on insert tab. Second, click on ClipArt from the view group. After then ClipArt will be appear in right pane. And you can search, type the name of the picture, and you can click on search option. So our document will be what? Will be appear in right pane. From the right pane we can select the pictures. When selected, then will be inserted in where? In our documents. So this is all what? This is the what is ClipArt. उसके बाद आ जाता है हमारा, क्या आ जाता है? What is word art? What is word art? We need word art when this is the word formatted. This is the word formatted. Mean our word, our text, if any have, and we can make more attractive to the front of the audience. So we can use what? Word art. Mean word art is the collection of format of text. Mean more attractive format of the text. So we can use what? We can use word art. Click on. So how to insert the ClipArt? So click on insert tab, click on word art and select the format of the text. When you select the format of the tab, then will be appear a text box. Mean we can type the text here. So when you type the text, then you click on OK. So your text will be formatted in your documents, MS Word document. So this is the work of what? Word art. उसके बाद how to change font color, font size, meaning this is very, very important because this is the starting questions from the MS Word. So how to change? When you type anything, any paragraph, any word, any sentence in your Word document, so this text, first of all text, what is text? Text refers to a sentence, a word, a paragraph, a sentence in a document. In our computer system also, that means the word text. Here font is what? Mean in MS Word documents we can type anything. So this is the what? This is the font. We can change the font, mean Calibri, this type of, this is the font. We can select how to change. So we can click on Home tab and select the font from the font group, and when you can select the font, then will be appear a list. We can select the font from the list, and our font will be changed. Similarly for font color, this will also change. Is when this is, first of all select the font. After the selecting the font, we can click on Home tab, and after the clicking the Home tab, we can click on font color from the font group. After the clicking the font color, then will be appear a list with all color. This is depends on user choice. Mean user choose the any color is want, and when you choose the color, then will be our font color will be changed. Font size same, all steps are same, only commands will be different. That means you can select the font. After selecting a text, click on Home tab, click on font size from the font group and select the font size, and you can also, this is also depends on user, and then okay, so our font will be what, font size will be changed. This is very very important. So 13 number question, this is very very important, how this is used for making more attractive, bold, italic, underline. You know about this one. In the many times earlier in last classes we have discussing about this one, and shortcut key also. Mean Control plus B used for bold the text, Control plus I used for italic the text, and Control plus U used for the underline the text. Mean any text you have, if you want to bold it, so first of all select it. If you want to save the time, you can use the shortcut key. Either go to step by click on where home tab, click on bold, the icon of bold, that means only have B. So you can select it, so your text will be bolded. Then similarly for italic also, underline also, that is the what, that is the all step of bold, italic and underline. This one done for looking more attractive to the front of the audience. When anyone want to see your project, see your documents, so say that is very good, very nice. So next thing, these all are the very very important topics related to MS Word. So now we have start to more features of Microsoft Word. So next will be more features of Microsoft Word. We have to discussing all the important topics related to MS Word. So first of all, more features of MS Word. सबसे पहला पॉइंट आता है फॉर्मेट painter. That means what is the meaning of format painter? This is located in home tab, in font group also. Mean that is very very important. When if you want to format painter, that means first of all select the text, then select the text, click on home tab, and next click on format painter's tools icon. That means given the format tools icon, this is the icon of format painter tool. This type of icon will be there in your font group, so you can select it. So your cursor will be changed in format painter's icon. So drag the mouse where you want to format the text. So let's start. Then what is format painter? This one is used for making more attractive the text to the front of the audience. Next question, how to insert the formatted painter? This is very very important. So we can use by this step. So first of all select the text. Second thing, click on home tab. And then click on where? Click on the icon of format painter. From where? From the font group. Earlier we have discussing about this one. That is again listen, div is a collection of tab. Tab is a collection of groups, and group is a collection of commands. Okay, next thing, place the cursor. Okay, now drag the mouse, mean your icon will be changed in where? Change your cursor will be changed in format painter's icons. So drag the mouse. Here is written your cursor will change. Cursor will change in the icon of format painter. Icon of format painter. And then drag the mouse. Drag the mouse and see formatted text. This is the state of format painter tool and this is very important. अब है कि मान लो तुमको फॉर्मेट पेंटर टूल तुमने यूज कर लिया, इससे निकलना कैसे? हाउ टू deselect format painter tool. So this is very simple. You can directly click on ESC key. That is the special key of keyboard. And earlier you know about this one. Keyboard has 5 types keys. Numbers की alphabetical keys, special keys, arrow keys, numbers की वगैरह वगैरह. Okay, next thing. So this is the format painter tool. Okay. Next thing, and this is very important, and really you can, I hope that you can do this one. But copy, cut, and paste. This is very important. This is very important. First of all, how can you do this one? What is the meaning of copy? What is the meaning of cut? And what is the meaning of paste? What is the meaning of paste? This one is copy. That means we can duplicate. We can duplicate. मतलब हम लोग किसी भी चीज का सेम कॉपी बना सकते हैं. That is the meaning of copy. Second thing, cut. That means we can move any word, any pictures, any audio, video, anything. We can move from one place to another places, one location to another location, one drive to another drive. Okay, so this one is will happen when, so this one, for this one we can use the cut commands, and when we can copy, select the copy commands and select the cut commands. So after this one we needs to paste it. We needs to paste it. So all steps approximately same. Shortcut key is first select the text. First select the text and after Control plus C. After this one place the cursor where you want to paste. mean copy, जहाँ पे आप डुप्लीकेट करना चाह रहे हैं वहाँ पे आप अपने कर्सर को ले जाइए और वहाँ पे, यहाँ पे हम नहीं देते हैं आपको समझने के लिए, place the cursor where you want to paste, want to copy, and next click what, Control plus V. This is the shortcut method. This is the shortcut method. Similarly, all steps are for cut. For cut, so select the text, Control plus X. So place the cursor where you want to cut or move. Mean then click on Control plus V. This is the shortcut method of copy and cut. So by the step wise we can do this one by the step wise. So first of all, select the text. First of all, select the text. Second part, click on Home tab. Next, click on copy. If you want to copy, so click on copy. If you want to cut, so you click on cut from the clipboard group. Many times we are discussing about the one. So this one click will also group in Home tab. Then this one, place the cursor where you want to copy and cut. So then right click here, right click here and click on paste. Click on paste. So your text, images, any things in our computer system, we can copy, we can cut in our computer by these steps. Shortcut method already know. Shortcut key for copy Ctrl plus C and cut for Ctrl plus X and paste के लिए Ctrl plus V. This is the very important. So our next topic. This is very important. What is? This is the subscript and superscript. Subscript and superscript. इसके बारे में हम लोग जानेंगे अभी. And this is very important. आपको जानना चाहिए. We should have to know about this one. But this one is the subscript. Subscript and superscript. This is the very important. So first of all, subscript, that means the text will be below from the main text label, and superscript, that means the text will be over from the main text. Basically बताते जैसे H2O, that is the chemical formula of water. Here is X square Y square. Here is C2H5. So this one is the below from the main text label. This is the called by subscript. This one is called the subscript, and this one is the what? This is the over from the main label. So this one is 2. This is the superscript. So we can use this subscript and superscript in chemical formulas and mathematical formulas. If you can type in your Word document, so we absolutely use the subscript and superscript by this. This is the meaning of subscript. This is the meaning of superscript. And shortcut method. First, select the text. Only one text. That means it will be changed when H2O. So place the cursor here first of all and select only the 2. Select this text only. Mean 2. You can select only 2. And after the selecting the text, we can use subscript from the font group in Home tab. So this one will be changed in H2O. This is not